So, what are some stocks that are on sale right now? So, the first stock that I want to talk about is JP Morgan. So, JP Morgan, let's see, JPM. So, on Friday, JP Morgan, uh, they were down negative 6.47%. Um, their all-time high, or their 52-week high, is 200 with 94 cents, and their 52-week low is 122.96. I mean, I think this is a, you know, good opportunity, but at the same time, I think it's not, because it broke the 50-day moving average, and it was riding, the 20-day moving average, well, moving along with it until, like, what, I think it's their earnings is what hurt them, and so they dumped really bad on Friday. But if you're gonna invest this in the long term, I would, me personally, I would, just to have a diversified portfolio. I mean, if you look at it on the yearly from 2009 to 2024, like, that's a huge uptrend. And then if you see it on the yearly chart, you can see that's respect to the 9-day moving average, which is pretty good. But would I buy into this? I mean, looking at this on the weekly chart, I just buy like maybe 10 shares. I mean, not 10 shares, but like $10 worth of JP Morgan, maybe. Um, you know, the, or I could wait until it gets to the 20-day moving average, which is 176.62. But other than that, I think JP Morgan is you know a good long-term investment. Who knows? I mean, yeah. But that's the first stock that's on sale. I might trade it, you know, paper trade it, see what happens. But I don't know. I'll see. I'll see. And then the second stock that's on sale that I consider that's on sale is AMD. AMD is at let's see. So AMD on Friday finished at negative 4.23%. Um, I think, me personally, if I had money, obviously, but I don't. Um, I personally would buy it because where is it? I mean, if you look at it on the daily chart, you can see that it's 162 or 161 is kind of like the support level. But then again, it's under on the daily, on the daily chart, it's under the 9-day moving average, and it looks like it's been respecting it. Like, it's touched it, the 9-day moving average, but it's got rejected, like right here. I guess sort of right here. Um, right here, I guess. It tried. I mean, it broke it through on this day, April 1st, but I guess it didn't, you know, go into the uptrend, and they just dump the next day. And then you can see, like, I guess here you can see that on not February, April 3rd, it got rejected by the 50-day moving average. And then April 4th, it got rejected really badly by the 50-day moving average. And that day it was down like negative 8.26%. But then again, if you're like investing into this for the long term and you want to diversify your portfolio, and let's say you don't have enough money like to buy into AMD like at $163.28 a share, you know, you could always buy fractional shares of AMD. And so, you know, with the whole AI frenzy going on, you know, I personally think AMD could run it back to the all-time highs, which was 227.30, and then their 52 week low was 81.02. So, you know, personally, would I buy into it? Yes, if I had money, but I don't. And then looking at it on the weekly chart, you can see that I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it broke the 20-day moving average. 20-day moving average says it's at 165.43, and that day that AMD closed on Friday was 163.28. Mm, it's iffy. It's iffy. I don't know, but you know, if you're gonna buy into stocks, you know, hold for the long term. You know, well, that's for me, right? I mean, personal wise, I would buy into stocks for the long term. Obviously, I wouldn't, you know, sell it for the short term. But then again, the stock market is crazy. You never know how it's gonna react to stuff, or like you never know what's gonna happen. And then the third stock that's on sale is TSM. Let's see, TSM. Okay, well, it's so on Friday they were down negative 3.18%. It finished at 142.52, and it looks like it's respecting the 20-day moving average. I mean, you can see that it kind of broke. Well, it broke it here on March 19th, but then again, its momentum on the March 20th, and then you can see like on March 27th it broke the 9 and 20-day moving average on the 28th as well. And then you can see that April 1st it was like it was just kind of ping ponging back and forth until finally like around March April 5th it gained back its momentum of respecting the 20-day and the 9-day moving average. So, you know, me personally, I'd probably just treat this as a short-term trade, you know. Me personally, let's look at the yearly. Oh, what is this? Yearly. I mean, wow. Okay, so from 2011 all the way to 2024, it's been in an uptrend, which is pretty good. But looking at the weekly, yeah, I mean, this could see further downtrend, maybe. That's my guess, maybe. The 9-day moving average reads that it's 136.81. Maybe it could touch it. that number sometime in the future. Maybe not. Um, if I were to invest into this, I would just average in, buy $10 worth of TSM. Um, but yeah, and those are the three main stocks that I wanted to talk about. Um, but what do you guys think? What do you guys think of the whole stock market thing? Do you plan to invest in for the long term, for the short term? What do you guys think? Um, Also, let me know what strategies you guys use to like trade stocks. It's nice hearing what other strategies out there exist. But yeah, I think that's about it. Well, basically, if you guys are looking for some deals, like I said, you can always check out JP Morgan, AMD, TSM. Um, you know, those are stocks that are on sale. I mean, I'm not telling you to not. I'm not telling. I'm not telling you to invest into them, but you know, keep an eye out for them. They might go lower. They might go. They might jump the next day. I don't know. The stock market is it's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah. Um, J.P. Morgan, AMD, TSM. I think that's what it's called. Taiwanese Semiconductor. Yeah, TSM. Those are the stocks that are on sale right now. I'm gonna check them out, see how they do, and this week they might they might do good this week, they might do bad this week. I don't know, but the stock market is unpredictable. But we'll see. And that's about it. I mean, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you guys want to sign up with my Weibo link in the description below, or wherever you're seeing this. If you're seeing this on TikTok, just click on my Instagram. That's in my TikTok bio, and then you'll get redirected to my Instagram page, and then you can click the link in my bio of my Instagram, and you can sign up with my Weibo link and get some free shares. Or if not, you could always sign up with on Weibo's website. However you guys want to do it. And yeah, that's about it. I really appreciate it. See you guys, and best of luck to all of us, into this investing journey. It's gonna be interesting. I know that. That's it's interesting. But yeah, other than that, take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, take care and have a good one. Bye.